Hello everyone, this is Vicky and watching you English with Vicky. Today I am going to tell you how to improve English language. Here it is and you requested 5 tips to learn you to speak English fluently. And these are not your regular tips like speak more often or read more books. So today I am going to give you 5 tips, so make sure you watch night till the end. Tip number 1, learn in chunks. Now imagine if you were to build a house, and now imagine that you have no experience in construction or architect, and if you were told to build that house brick by brick, it might seem impossible and you may even give up before completion. But what if you were able to source these ready to use walls and windows and door and ceiling, and all you had to do this is piece them together like a jigsaw puzzle. And how about that for making it interesting and easy to build your own house? Like this, when you are learning English, simpler way to put it together as if you have a repertoire of full sentences and you can learn a few of these sentences entirely. What if you can just use them and then remove a word, put another one? Tip number 2 is to sound well prepared. Here is another quick and easy tip to help you sound like a pro. So there are a few common them that tend to appear in most conversation, interviews, or even English language tests. Talk about yourself, talk about your family, maybe your hobbies or your pastime, talk about your most memorable moment or your most challenging moment, to talk about your goals and your aim in life, or even talk about what you do to stay fit or your daily routine. How here is the cheat called prepare to 4 to 5 lines on each one of the topics. Show them to a friend or a senior who is fluent English. Practice these lines in front of the mirror and learn them up instantly. When you see them, it might sound memorized, but soon with some practice is going to sound absolutely natural. And later you can add more topics to it, and every soon you will become this fluent and confident speaker who make natural conversation. Tip number 3 is converse with native English speakers. Now, then one thing, a student that wanted to learn how to cook, so he went onto YouTube and saw some videos, watched cookery, saw any read recipe books, but every time he went into the kitchen, nothing seemed to work similarly. When you are learning English, you can read books, learn vocabulary, or watch several English movies with subtitles, but the only way to really get fluent at spoken English is to speak English. But the challenge is, who do we speak to? Because our fluent kind of make a fun us and our family sometimes not so fluent in English. So question is, who do we actually speak English with? So I went out looking for an expert that I could speak to whenever I was free, someone who would not judge me, but they would guide me and help me improve my spoken English. And I came across this app called Cambly, which I highly recommend to you. So speaking to them and listening to them not only helps me improve my speaking skill but also my listening skill. So I approached Cambly and I said him, why don't you give offer to us exclusive so we can try this Cambly app. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care and have fun.